All right. This is for the 2014 Ford Edge Sport. This is the side view mirror light replacement. You could also include the puddle light if you want. You can see that's the type of rim, 2014 Sport. Now, like most, I'm sure you are afraid to pull this whole piece off, but I found out pieces and bits from others. I'm gonna try to see if I can help you out with your install. Of course, I'm using my phone here, so this ain't gonna be easy. Oh, okay, actually, I took this shroud off. But the first thing you're gonna want to do is get this clip off. Once you pop this clip off, I don't know if it was just mine, maybe the person who owned this first already popped it off, but once you get this clip off that you see that's holding on right there with that little nub, once we get that off, then the mirror basically pops off and falls away. This shroud right here is held by two screws. And as you can see, it's those type of screws right there. And it's the one screw right on there. Just one screw. And then from this also pops away. You might have clips on the side. Again, the person who owned this before me might have did some rough housing work or whatever, but I think there might be clips on the side. But either way, you just got to kind of maneuver that off and get this housing off. Then you finally get to the inside, in which you could see there goes your puddle light, which I put a new puddle light in there, and it has its two connectors right here. And even then you're gonna be like, how the hell do I get this light out? This whole piece maneuvers off of here. It doesn't come all the way off, but it maneuvers enough so that you can get, oh, and also you see here how there's one more screw right here. Take that off, maneuver this whole shroud around, and the whole light pops out. See how mine was jacked up due to some previous accident or something. That's how I received the car. But this is the one with this knob facing up that goes into this side right here. Here's my new light. Just take a look at how this looks from the back. So now I'm going to slide the new light in. Okay. This is going to be, nothing's ever easy. All right, I'm going to have to hold this phone at my neck for a minute while I glide this piece in. Okay, this is not gonna be easy. Whoever said pulling it out was so easy? Who said putting it back in was gonna be easy? All right, just give me a moment. God, was it really going to be this difficult? Why is this thing so hard to put in? Okay. Okay. So the way I had to get it in, I had to glide it in there, but then I have to slip my fingers in here to push this piece out. So now it's in there. It made a little snap noise. Let me just compare it with the side that isn't broken. Yeah, it's flush. And then it comes out. This one's also flush, and then it comes out. All right, so that's pretty much it. This is my little, I'm not sure what number this is. My bit to screw it in. Let me see if it says it. It's a T10. A T10 bit for you. All right. So basically, because of the light, let me see if I can put the light on. No, I can't. Either way, I hope this helped all the rest of you guys out there when it comes to replacing the light here and how it looks for this model. I got it off of Alipay for 15 bucks. And hopefully the rest of this repair, putting this back together, will go back smoothly. All right, signing out. Catch you guys later. Peace.